at your English copy and write down today's date, 1/10/2021. अच्छा, one thing I forgot to repeat. Yesterday मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, we'll sing the national anthem. हम national anthem जो पढ़ते हैं, जन गण मन. Who has written this? किसने लिखा है? रबींद्रनाथ टैगोर. ठीक है? Our national anthem जन गण मन is written by Rabindranath Tagore. All right? Chalo. So write down today's date, 1/10/2021. October is the 10th month. Okay, so kids, we are going to do the question answers of this and that today. We are repeating it. Okay? Again, we are repeating it. This and that and these and those we are going to repeat question answers. All right? Because कुछ बच्चे ऐसे थे कि जिनको नहीं आ रहा था आंसर्स एंड ऑल लिखना, so that's why we are repeating it. Okay, so you have to write the heading, question, answers. All right, you should write everything. Mothers, parents, आप लोगों को नहीं लिखना heading. You don't have to write any heading in the copy. Let them write. Slow लिखेंगे, slow लिखने दीजिए, but then let them write. This is how they are going to learn how to write heading and all. Chalo, let's start. Question 1. What is this? And kids, try to draw the pictures as well. Pictures भी आपसे जैसी बन रही हैं वैसे बना लो, ठीक है? What is this? So as you know, this and that. This is used for the things which is near to us. And that is used with the things, with the person, with the objects, which is far away, जो हमसे दूर हैं, उसके लिए हम that use करते हैं. और जो पास है, उसके लिए हम this use करते हैं. All right? The things, the person, whatever is near to us, जो हमारे पास है, we use this. And the things, the person, the objects which are far away from us, जो हमसे दूर हैं, for that we use that. Now, अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? We have to start from here. This, THIS, this. This, IS is a, what is this? Table. So, what is the spelling of table? Tab. Tab, first of all, you have to write. Tab. T-A-B. Tab. Bul. L-E. Table. This is a table. Okay? Now, you have to make a cross in the next line. Next line में आपको cross करना है. Cross we are making so that for that you don't have to write anything in this line. You have to leave this line. Okay? Now, after making cross, after leaving one line, you have to write question number 2. What? W-A-W-H-A-T. What? I-S is T-H-A-T. That. What is that? What is that? So what is that? Balloon. The thing which is far away from us, for those things, for that thing we have to use that. जो हमसे दूर है, the objects person far away from us, हम लोग उनके लिए that use करेंगे. That. जो हमसे दूर है, उनके लिए हम that use करेंगे. ठीक है? So that is a balloon. And the things which are near to us, जो हमारे पास है, उनके लिए we use this. Near things के लिए we use this, and far away things के लिए we use that. What is that? So that is a balloon. So we have to start from here. THAT, that. IS is a balloon. 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 Advika, where are you? Adjust the screen so that I can see you. Rudraksh, on the camera. What is that? That is a balloon. So, can I raise the first question and answer? Can I raise? Have you done, everyone? So, as I don't have a space here, so that's why I'm raising it. Again, you have to do the same thing after writing question number 2. Okay? Aapko, you have to leave one line, make a cross. You have to leave one line and then write down question number 3. What is this? What is this? So what is this? This is a wheel. पहिया जो होता है wheel. ठीक है? Trivika, switch on the camera. So from here we have to start from this. THI as this. IS is a wheel. What? Wheel. WH. WHEE. Wheel. वहां में हमने डबल ई मिलाया वी और ल wheel. This is a wheel.